hiragana で書いてください. These next words have blended sounds in them. Remember that when you write blended sounds in hiragana, it means that you're going to use a small ya, or a small yu, or a small yo, together with a large hiragana from the I row. That's ki, shi, chi, ni, hi, mi, ri. Or it might have tenten or maru, like ji, gi, or p or b. So a large hiragana from the I row of the hiragana chart combined with chisai ya, yu, or yo. So if you have a large shi and a small yu, instead of being shi, yu, 2 beats, you blend it together into 1 beat. Shu, shu. Instead of shi, yu, you have shu. When you write them in the box, chisai ya, yu, yo gets its own box. And please make sure you write it a lot smaller than the large hiragana so it's really clear that it's small. But don't write it so tiny that it's hard to tell what you wrote. The first word is shufu. 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 Shu is the blended sound. You need a big hiragana from the I row. And then you need, is it chisai ya, yu, or yo? Shufu. 2番 ocha. Ocha. Cha is the blended sound. Ocha. 3番 tosho. 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 Sho is the blended sound. Tosho. Library. 4番 kyu. 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 The number 9. Kyu. Kyu is the blended sound. Plus a large u after it. Kyu. Kyu. 5番 hyaku. Hyaku. Hya. Hya is the blended sound. Hyaku. The number 100. 6番 chan. Chan. It's the ending that you put after girls' names, isn't it? Chan. Cha is the blended sound. Cha. Chan. 7番 okyaku. Okyaku. A customer or a guest. Kya is the blended sound. O. Kya. Ku. Okyaku. 8番 ryu. Ryu. A dragon. Ryu and u. Ryu. Ryu. Ryu is the blended sound. Ryu. 9番 is kyoku. 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 A musical piece, a song that you might play on an instrument. Kyoku. Kyoku. 10番 densha. 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 Sha being the blended sound. Densha. 11番 cho. Cho as in butterfly. Cho is the blended sound. And to make cho long, you need to add a large u after it. Cho and then u. Cho. But it's really pronounced cho. Butterfly. 12番 Jew. Jew. Jew U. Ju. Ju is the blended sound, and be careful, it also has accents. Ju, the number 10. Ju. 13番しゃぶ shabu. This is the first half of the word shabu shabu. Sha is the blended sound. Shabu. 14番金魚 金魚 金魚 which means goldfish. 金魚 Gyo is the blend, and it also has accents, so be careful. Kingyo, kingyo, gyo. 15番ひょうひょうひょ is the blended sound, and to make it long, ひょうひょう it sounds like an O, but you actually add an U after it. So write the blended sound for hyo and add a large U after it. That makes hyo. And last one, 16. Gyoza. Gyoza. The Chinese style dumplings. Gyo is your blended sound. Be careful, it has accents. To make a gyo long, you need to add a large U after it. Gyoza. So it's really spelled gyouza, but we pronounce it gyoza. はい、終わりです。